Now let's to install Android Studio step by step. First, open your browser, maybe Google Chrome, Brave, Opera, or any or other. And in the search bar, type Android Studio. From the results, open the official website developer.android.com, and here you will be immediately see a large button that says download Android Studio. Click on it. The terms and conditions will appear, accept them, and click in this button. And the Windows Save as window will open, so move and click download. The installer is about 1.3 gigabytes, so it may take a few minutes to download. So just wait. When the download is finished, open File Explorer and locate the Android Studio installer and do click it to run. The installation process is very simple. It's basically next. So accept, next. At this point, the installer will ask if you want to install the Android emulator or not. In my case, I'm going to disable because I use another emulator that is lighter and use less RAM. If your computer has good hardware, you can leave this option enabled. Continue with next, and install. Here just wait. The installation was complete, so next and finish, and this will open Android Studio. Once Android Studio is installed, open the command prompt or the terminal and run the command Flutter Doctor. This command allows to check if the initial Android toolchain error has been resolved. This part we will see in the last video, what is about to install Flutter in Windows, so you can check the video. In my case, there is no problem, it's all okay. But if you have a problem, go to Android Studio, More Actions, SDK Manager, and if you see an error with Android toolchain, open Android Studio, go to SDK Platforms, back to CMD, and download the Flutter Recommends version. Maybe 36 or maybe other. So yes, find, check, and apply. And after that, if you see other error, go to SDK Tools and install these 5 important tools. That is Android SDK, NDK, Android SDK, CMake, and finally the SDK, the SDK that we install in the error. So here, and back to CMD, run Flutter Doctor, and if all is okay, you now can start to create a new project with Flutter. But if you see a final error that is here with Android toolchain, in this case with Android licenses, if that happens, just run the command suggested by the error message to accept that license. Is just check, copy, paste, enter, and finally yes. All the questions, and that's it. And run Flutter Doctor for the last time, everything will be okay. Obviously, maybe this is not important because this is for make Windows apps. So for our case, it's not important because we are going to create for Android. And that's it. With that, you can now create an application for Android using Flutter.